Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Jarno and this channel is Learn French avec Jarno. Then when we talk about like age, so that's one thing. When we in English we say I'm 40, I'm 15 years old or something like that. But in French it's always avoir verb. So you don't say je suis. You need to always say j'ai 27 ans. You need to say un. so you and there is this un. It's a nasal sound there. It's not uns or ans. Okay. So not. It's like I have 25 years, okay? And then when you go somewhere, you might visit your friends, your parents or something like that. You use rendre visite when you say, you go to your for example, seeing your aunt or parents or something, you rendre visite. So when there's the the bad person to go with, kind of, so rendre visite. But when you go to Paris or to London or something like that, then you say visite Paris. Okay, so you say visite Paris, not saying when you go to your grandparents, you don't say visit my grandparents, rendre visite. Okay, then for example, when you go to see doctor, for example, you go to to hairdresser or something like that. When you go somewhere where the people are there, you kind of visiting people, or how to say. So you say always je vais aller, and then whatever place it is, it's a see doctor or hairdresser or whatsoever. So it's not o or other preposition. It's always je. Okay, and then when you say, for example, like in English, I would say I am a teacher. I'm a teacher. But in French, it's always without preposition article. So you say je suis professeur. You don't say je suis un professeur. No, any liaison or whatsoever. It's always like je suis professeur without article. And then if you are hungry or if you are cold, something like that, you say always j'ai froid. You say j'ai froid. You don't say je suis froid, no. Et j'ai faim, j'ai soif. That you are hungry, you are thirsty. You use avoir verb there. You don't say like je suis soif, je suis faim. No, you always say j'ai soif, j'ai faim. Okay, these things are quite common mistakes. I still making those mistakes. But yeah. But understanding French, it's different than English or even Finnish. We have similarities in Finnish language also. Even it's a different group of languages. But okay, I hope it helped. Maybe you got something from this video. If you did get something, like, comment, and subscribe. On this channel I make different kind of videos. I practice my French speaking. Also stories. I'm telling stories, something like that, and you know, it's kind of self and kind of self help, self help and helping others, and then you know. Okay, take care. Cheers.